Generative AI isn't just another software, it's a paradigm shift, a fundamental change in how we interact with machines. It represents a move away from traditional computing. It's a new kind of machine that creates, not just follows instructions. It can produce original content from images and text to music and code, based on the patterns it learns. For decades, computers were tools for calculation and data retrieval, performing tasks according to pre-programmed rules. They were excellent at processing data but lacked the ability to generate anything new. But generative AI learns from vast data, mountains of information that would be impossible for a human to process. Text, images, code, music, and produces something new. It's not just regurgitating what it's seen, it's synthesizing information and creating original outputs. It finds patterns in human creativity and plays with them, remixing and reimagining existing ideas, shifting us from users to collaborators, where we can guide and refine the AI's output to achieve our creative goals. With a machine that can dream, it can explore possibilities and generate novel ideas that we might not have considered. Powered by neural networks inspired by the human brain, these complex structures allow AI to learn and adapt in ways that were previously unimaginable. These systems learn by adjusting connections between nodes as they process data, strengthening the pathways that lead to successful outputs. Models like GANs and transformers are key. They represent some of the most significant advancements in the field of generative AI. A GAN's generator creates, producing new content based on its training data, while its discriminator judges, evaluating the generated content and providing feedback to the generator, pushing both to improve until the output is indistinguishable from reality. This adversarial process leads to increasingly realistic and compelling results. Imagine teaching a machine to paint like Van Gogh, to capture the essence of his style and technique, not by copying, simply replicating existing works, but by learning his style and creating new art in that spirit. It's about understanding the underlying principles and applying them in novel ways. This is the magic, the ability to create something truly original, not imitation but novel expression, a testament to the power of generative AI, mirroring human learning in surprising ways. It's a process of exploration, experimentation, and refinement. Generative AI marks a leap from analytical to creative AI, expanding the role of machines in our lives, enabling machines to write poetry, crafting verses that evoke emotion and meaning, compose music, generating melodies and harmonies that resonate with listeners, design buildings, creating innovative and sustainable structures that shape our environment, and code software, automating the development process, and accelerating innovation. These systems are becoming partners, augmenting our abilities and expanding our creative potential. In creative and intellectual work once reserved for humans, it's a collaboration that promises to unlock new levels of innovation and productivity. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in the landscape of technology and creativity. It's the dawn of a new era, where machines can augment our creativity and help us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Every new model pushes the boundaries of what's possible, revealing new capabilities and applications. The journey has only just begun. The future of generative AI is bright, and its potential is limitless. The world changed. It wasn't a gradual shift but a seismic event, altering the very fabric of how we interact with technology and each other. The digital landscape transformed before our eyes. When machines learned to talk, they began to understand, to respond, and even to create, blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence. This revolution was made possible thanks to large language models, or LLMs, the engines driving this new era of communication. Trained on massive text datasets, these models ingested and processed information on a scale previously unimaginable. LLMs learn grammar, context, and nuance, deciphering the complexities of human language with remarkable accuracy. They've been evolving from simple sentence completion, those predictive texts we've grown accustomed to writing essays, crafting coherent arguments, and expressing complex ideas. They can even assist in debugging code, identifying errors and suggesting solutions with surprising efficiency. And perhaps most impressively, they are capable of holding human-like conversations, engaging in dialogue that feels natural and intuitive. The breakthrough was the transformer architecture, a revolutionary design that changed everything. This architecture uses attention to understand context across entire documents, allowing the AI to grasp the bigger picture. It moved beyond just word-by-word analysis, enabling a deeper and more nuanced understanding of language. This allows LLMs to handle complex queries, tackling questions that require reasoning and synthesis of information. They can also maintain coherent, long-form conversations, remembering past interactions and building upon them. Today's models are multimodal, expanding their capabilities even further. They process not just text but images, analyzing visual information with increasing sophistication. They can also understand audio and even video, opening up a world of new possibilities. Show an AI a photo of your fridge, a simple snapshot of your groceries, and it can suggest recipes, helping you make the most of what you have. This fusion of senses makes AI more versatile and useful, transforming it from a theoretical concept into a practical tool. The scale is staggering, a testament to the immense computational power required to run these models. We're talking about trillions of parameters, the variables that define the model's behavior and capabilities. These models are trained on thousands of chips for weeks, a massive undertaking that pushes the limits of current technology. While tech giants lead the charge, investing heavily in research and development, open-source models are democratizing access, making this powerful technology available to a wider audience. This ensures innovation isn't limited to a few, fostering a more collaborative and inclusive environment. LLMs are breaking down barriers between data types, creating a unified framework for understanding and processing information. This is creating a more holistic, powerful AI, capable of tackling complex problems and driving innovation across various fields. The pace of progress is breathtaking, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging at an accelerating rate. The power of language generation is spreading fast, transforming the way we communicate, create, and interact with the world around us. The ecosystem of innovation is growing wider every day, fueled by collaboration, open-source initiatives, and a shared vision for the future of AI. Generative AI is rapidly transforming the creative landscape, and now it creates stunning visual art, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Powerful models like DALL-E, which have captured the imagination of artists and technologists alike, Midjourney with its vibrant community and distinctive aesthetic, and the open-source flexibility of Stable Diffusion turn simple text prompts into incredibly detailed images in mere seconds. The speed and quality are truly remarkable. These sophisticated systems learn the intricate relationship between words and pixels through vast datasets, reconstructing entirely new images from a conceptual, latent space, a multi-dimensional representation of visual concepts. Early models, while groundbreaking, often produce blurry results, but today's iterations are capable of generating photorealistic images, blurring the line between reality and artificial creation. Users have precise control over style, lighting, allowing for dramatic or subtle effects and composition, ensuring every element contributes to the overall artistic vision. Advanced techniques like in-painting, which allows for seamless object removal and replacement, and out-painting, which intelligently expands images beyond their original borders, let users effortlessly edit or expand images, opening up new creative possibilities. In essence, imagination is becoming the new camera, empowering anyone to bring their visions to life. The next frontier is now video. AI algorithms can now animate static images or generate short, compelling video clips directly from text descriptions, with groundbreaking models like Sora leading the charge, creating stunning high-definition and remarkably coherent scenes. This technological leap could revolutionize filmmaking as we know it, advertising and content creation across various platforms, giving individuals and small teams studio-level power and capabilities. For creatives, these tools dramatically accelerate brainstorming and design processes, generating countless variations and prototypes in a matter of minutes. Architects and designers can instantly visualize architectural concepts in different environments and settings, exploring design options with unprecedented speed. Yet, these rapid advances inevitably raise profound questions about the very nature of art, creativity, and the evolving role of the human artist. One thing is undeniably clear: the canvas itself is fundamentally changing. Visual creation is becoming more intelligent, more accessible, and more powerful than ever before. We are entering a new and exciting era of visual storytelling where the possibilities seem limitless. 2. Generative design pushes AI into problem solving. Give it goals and constraints, and it explores thousands of solutions. An engineer might ask for the lightest chair bracket that supports a set weight. AI generates optimized, often organic-looking designs. Industries like automotive and aerospace use this to create lighter, stronger parts. Airbus, for example, cut weight by 45% in a key component. AI-generated designs often mimic nature's efficiency, blending artificial intelligence with biomimicry. In electronics, AI optimizes semiconductor layouts. In drug discovery, it generates novel molecules, accelerating research. AI is becoming a scientific collaborator, not just a creator. Designers now curate and guide, selecting the best AI-generated options. This frees humans for higher-level thinking and strategic decisions. Generative design augments, not replaces, human creativity. It's a tool that amplifies our problem-solving abilities. Generative AI is already transforming daily workflows across industries. In software, tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code, complete functions, and debug, accelerating development and freeing engineers for complex challenges. Content creation is changing. AI generates ad copy, blog posts, and summaries, letting teams produce more and personalize at scale. In healthcare, AI drafts clinical notes, summarizes histories, and analyzes records, helping doctors focus on patients and improve outcomes. In product design, AI simulates and tests virtual prototypes, speeding up innovation and reducing costs. Automotive companies, for example, can run thousands of AI-generated simulations to refine designs. The digital-first approach is accelerating R&D across sectors. Generative AI is quietly reshaping how we work and create. Generative AI's impact is real and tangible. In law, AI analyzes thousands of documents in minutes, drafts contracts, and summarizes case law, leveling the playing field for smaller firms. Customer service is powered by advanced chatbots that understand complex language and provide personalized, helpful responses. This frees human agents for sensitive issues and improves satisfaction. In entertainment, AI generates music, backing tracks, and even game worlds, helping creators build richer experiences. In education, AI creates personalized learning plans and instant feedback, making tutoring accessible to all. Generative AI is a co-creator, transforming industries from law to learning. Its reach is expanding every day. Generative AI's promise comes with serious challenges. Bias is a major issue. Models learn from human data, inheriting our prejudices and sometimes generating harmful content. Hallucination is another risk. AI can confidently invent false information, which is dangerous in fields like law or medicine. Copyright is a legal minefield. AI is trained on vast copyrighted material, raising questions about ownership and fair use. The potential for misuse is real. AI can generate misinformation, deepfakes, and malicious code. Robust safeguards, detection tools, and clear regulations are essential. Developers must audit, mitigate, and act responsibly. Ensuring AI's benefits outweigh its harms is a shared responsibility. The future of generative AI is more powerful, efficient, and autonomous. We'll see smaller, specialized models running on personal devices, making AI more private and responsive. The next leap is agency AI agents that proactively achieve goals, not just respond to prompts. Imagine an AI planning your vacation, researching, booking, and organizing everything for you. Generative AI will power the next generation of robotics, blending language, vision, and action for real-world tasks. The long-term vision is artificial general intelligence, machines that can learn any intellectual task. The journey will be filled with breakthroughs and debate, but the direction is clear. We're building machines that understand and act in our world, redefining technology and ourselves. For tech professionals, generative AI is a call to action. Move from curiosity to hands-on experimentation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Copilot, and learn prompt engineering. Stay updated, follow researchers, read new papers, and watch talks to keep pace with rapid change. Think critically about how AI can automate or augment your work, identify opportunities, and build business cases. Those who bridge technology and real-world problems will be invaluable. Engage in ethical discussions, advocate for responsible AI, fairness, and transparency. Participate in shaping policy and regulation. The future of AI is a human challenge as much as a technical one. Stay informed, get hands-on, and help shape what comes next.